Who was Chief Matiwane and AmaNgwane origins? T. Mbele and G. Houston state that the Abambo people are a group of clans that belong to the original Ngwane group. Their current name has been around for about 600 years. They belong to the ancient Bantu groups that between 200 and 1200 AD migrated out of Africa's Great Lakes. After arriving in southern Africa, they first settled in the now Mozambique, Swaziland area. In the 17th and 18th centuries, some moved on to settle in the Nkandla region of present-day KwaZulu-Natal. The groups listed above split apart while residing in the Lubombo range. After splitting into the Langeni, Ngwane, Swati, Ndwandwe, Langeni Gumede, Mkhize, Dlamini, Hlubi, and Mpondo groups, the Abasembo, which comprises the Embo, Abasembo, and Embo Timuni Mkhizes, kept the name of the original large group. Divisions resulting from disputes over succession and actions taken by white authority are captured in the history of the Abambo clan. Another example offshoot from Abasembo is Chief Matiwane's AmaNgwane. The group of people called AmaNgwane got their name from Matiwane's ancestor Ngwadi Ngwane. They moved to the region between the white and black Umfolozi rivers after splitting off from the main Abasembo group. Their inkosi at the time was Somkhabasi. According to historical accounts, this group first resided north of Babanango, close to the white Umfolozi river, around 1700. The group was ruled by Chief Ngwadi during those years. According to A. Ngwane, after Ngwadi they were ruled by Nzele, who begot Ndungunya, who begot Chani, who begot Masumpa, who begot Matiwane. Eventually, this clan established itself at Ingome, close to Bulwa, during the Shaka era. The AmaNgwane would remain one step ahead of the rising Zulu kingdom's ravages due to Matiwane's intelligence, but their acts also triggered the Mfecane. Matiwane shifted some of his cowheads westward, anticipating an invasion of his country. Shaka, who was Dingiswayo's general at the time, fought the AmaNgwane soon after and drove them across the Buffalo River, Umzinyati, around 1817 to 1818. To provide for his people when Zwide and Shaka drove them from their homeland, Matiwane and his warriors fought against other groups. In an attempt to reclaim their cattle, the besieged AmaNgwane, led by Matiwane, went westward and attacked the Hlubi, a larger kingdom established by Bongane. Around 1818, Matiwane killed Mtimkulu, the Hlubi nation's monarch, which led to their scattering. Some Hlubi followed Shaka, left their nation and went north or west, while others joined the AmaNgwane. Others joined the Mfengu, a group of immigrants who established themselves on the Cape Colony's eastern edge. The Hlubi lamented this disaster, calling it the Izwe Kufa, country of death, and explained it away as the result of witchcraft. Predicting Shaka's onslaught in 1821 or 1822, Matiwane crossed the Drakensberg and expelled the Hlokwa group of chieftainess, Mantatisi, mother of Sekonyela, from their territory in the Harrismith-Vred area. Interior Soto groups were also targeted. As a result, many escaped to the Lesotho region and enlisted in Moshosho's army. Moshosho sought Shaka's protection and sent tribute, when Matiwane turned south and threatened him. Moshosho objected to Shaka about Matiwane's establishment at Mabolela Hill because it stopped him from sending tribute. Matiwane was forced to flee in front of the Impi's advance when Shaka sent Mzilikazi to attack. They ran away and went south into territory inhabited by Amampondo, Abasembo's territory, and the neighboring Xhosa countries in the south, where they again pillaged them. Nonetheless, they would lose the Battle of Mpolompo. These groups joined forces with the British, causing Matiwane nation to be dissolved and divided into smaller fragments at the Battle of Mpolompo, which took place in what is now Mthatha, Eastern Cape.